What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. So this vlog is all about all you need to know about Clive Booth postgraduate halls. So in this vlog I'm going to show you the typical room of a Clive Booth, the Clive Booth campus itself, how far is it from the university by bus, by walk, and what are the closest grocery shops and pubs that you guys can visit, or that will be helpful for you guys basically when you're staying at Clive Booth. So check out the vlog till the end and leave a like, subscribe. So we are starting in the kitchen. This is a kitchen that's shared between 4 people. So between 4 people you have these 2 fridges, a lot of storage space there. It comes with a microwave, क्या ये kettle, more storage space, an oven and a cooking range. So this is a typical Clive Booth room. Mine is the corner flat, so I've got 2 windows. There's this one window and one nice big thing over here. This has a light here. Under light comes with a mattress cover, this pin board, mirror, full mirror, nice ones, and this is the washroom, toilet, commode, shower area. You can put your toilet paper and stuff in there, and basket, bin. So now I'll take you guys through around Clive Booth and show you what all is there. This is the laundry room. Here's where you do your washing. Washing costs £3.10. There's an app that you need to download. It's called Circuit, and through that you have to make your payments and do the washing. These are the dryers. Drying costs £1.30. So I just recommend you guys to do washing every 2 weeks so that you don't end up spending a lot of money. And this is where it is at. Comes with these ducks also. Nice little lake here, very calming. And there's the postgraduate lounge. This is the entrance.
What are you doing?
So one of the disadvantages of Clive Booth, you have to take out your own garbage.
Yeah.
One of the biggest disadvantages of Clive, that you have to take out your own garbage.
Yeah. That is one good thing, that in Senate they'll come twice a week and take out the garbage.
Twice a week, seriously?
Twice a week it is. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we don't have to do this thing. Now we'll be living in private, so we have to do it anyway. So you have the practice to do that. That's a good
You
thing.
have the practice from Subway of taking out garbage.
Yeah.
And much more than this. But if you have flatmates जो इतना गंदा खाना पकाते हैं, मतलब गंदा एज इन बदबू वाला भी, और लाइक जूसेस एंड ऑल ज़्यादा कचरे में डाल देते, तो तुम्हारा फ्लैट सड़ने के बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस, डस्टबिन सड़ने के बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं. वैसे बोलना नहीं चाहिए, बट हमारी एक फ्लैटमेट है, वो अपने उस साइड वाले कंट्री से बिलोंग करती है, नॉट द ग्रीन वन, द रेड वन,
जहाँ से कोरोना है. कोरोना
तो
के
उन दीदी का खाना बहुत ज़्यादा स्मेली होता है.
हाँ, उनके ऐसे ही खाना खाने की वजह से हमें कोरोना मिला था वैसे भी. I will always blame that country for corona, okay? They have ruined so many years of my life.
Just 2 years.
Ah, 2 years is more than enough. Okay. Okay, guys. Bye. No more discussion on this. At least online. किसी बहुत कंट्रोवर्शियल टॉपिक है और वैसे भी अभी चाइना में बहुत ही ज़्यादा टैंक वैंक आ रहा है. पता चले एक टैंकर मेरे ऊपर ही आके सीधा ठिश 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 खत्म.
So this is the postgraduate lounge here at the Clive Booth Halls. Clive Booth postgrad. Here you have some PCs, projector setup, printer. One chota bhai studying hard for dissertation. So basically you can study here. Well, these are computers which have access to your university login. You just log in. Something is happening. My typing. Okay, so this is the outside area. Nice lake here, chill sesh. And iske piche bhi there is one more area. I think there are some people here. Okay, so this is Clive Booth. There are two supermarket grocery stores close to Clive Booth. One is Londi's, जहाँ पे basic चीज़ें मिल जाती है, and another one is Cooperative, and उसी के बगल में there is something called as what? Cost Cutters. So let's see how much time that takes from Clive Booth. So that is Londi's. A 2-minute walk from Clive Booth to Londi's. That's Up in Arms, one of the best pubs. You get very nice ciders and the pizza is like our favorite. हम लोग हमेशा यहाँ पे आके पिज़्ज़ा खाते हैं for sure. Now next stop Cooperative. कितना दूर है?
The leaves were very similar, but I don't know. I don't think ये वही है.
She thinks this is mulberry.
No, this is not mulberry.
If you guys know what this is, please comment down below. We would like to know what this is.
हाँ dude.
ऐसे टक से उठा के टक.
हम जब छोटे थे तो हमारे घर पे था, हमारी ब्रांच साइड थी.
हाँ.
हम 3 थे उस पे.
हाँ.
बैठ के आराम से उस पे गर्मी की छुट्टियों में तोड़ के खाते थे. सबकी अपनी अपनी ब्रांचेस पे.
City boys का problem. We have grown up in concrete jungle. हमारे यहाँ पे तो नहीं होता ऐसा.
नहीं, वो हमारे यहाँ पे भी कट गए. वो धीरे धीरे गांव में भी थोड़ा थोड़ा. Everywhere it's like that only.
Deforestation.
अब किसी के घर में होगा भी पेड़ तो no one is going to sit there, no? सबके पास फोन होते हैं छोटे बच्चों के पास.
True that. So this is the Marston area. Marston area. ये इस साइड पे पूरा अपना ऑक्सफोर्ड ब्रुक्स आ जाएगा. Like it's a bit of a hike from here. I'll take you guys to the Oxford Brookes route also. From Clive Booth, we'll do a timer of how much time it takes to go to Oxford Brookes. And this area is quite peaceful. वैसे कावली रोड जैसे नहीं है, मेन रोड आते ही it gets quite noisy. So that's one advantage about Clive Booth, that the area is quite peaceful आजू बाजू, and it's more, what do you say, it's more green. For some reason I feel it's more green and less houses around.
I think that is
your immediate area outside Senate is less residential, whereas this Clive Booth is only students and only students. There is Clive Booth here, and the new construction that's happening, that's Clive Booth undergraduate. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, or some of you might even stay there. That is cooperative. This is cost cutter. There's a pharmacy here also. So approximately 10-15 minutes का walk है. हम लोग थोड़ा चलते चलते आए. So these two are good stores close to Clive Booth that you can come here for a quick grocery shopping. Start. Okay.
I was thinking अभी तक पता नहीं क्यों that they are going to the campus.
We are going to drive by the campus. So check out the route to the campus. Bus route to Brooks University, 3 minutes, almost 4 minutes. So this is a part of Clive Booth where the construction is going on. Right here, new student village is being made here. Anyways, that's it. Today was the 26th. Today is the 26th of August. Today is the day when I officially move out of Clive Booth. Basically, I've moved out at least like a few 3-4 days ago. So today I just had to return my keys, clean my room, and end to a very good 1 year at Clive Booth. Met so many new friends, good memories at the place, and we'll miss this place. Now to the next chapter of living with friends. So anyways guys, if you have any other questions regarding Clive Booth or any other halls of residence or or accommodations, do let me know in the comments below, or you can just message me on LinkedIn or Instagram. Up to you. Anyways, thank you for watching this vlog. Take care. Bye bye.